How to create a French nail design and correction with gel. Start by removing the previous coating. Be sure to do this over a dust collector ÜLKA set to speed. 2. File the surface of the nail to prepare it for the next steps. Clean the cuticles and nail plate. Use a pusher to lift the cuticles, then use a nail drill bit to remove them, following standard procedures. After this, have the client wash their hands. This step is essential to remove any dust that may have settled in the grooves, allowing us to proceed to the degreasing stage. Apply a thin layer of a rubber base coat to the nail. Apply a liquid gel as a base layer. Then, place a slightly larger bead of gel on the nail and distribute it evenly. Ensure that the material in the apex area does not exceed 1.5 millimeters. As you may have noticed, I did not shape the sides of the nail. I only filed the surface. We will address shaping after applying the gel. Once cured, completely degrease the nail before shaping the length. Be sure to file the inside of the nail, and only then can you work on the side walls with a file. Now, let's move on to the fun part. What is the simplest scheme for achieving a French nail design? For the French, you should use white gel polish. Take a brush that is well moistened but free of excess product at the tip, and apply it to the free edge of the nail, drawing a straight line. The thickness of this line should be about 1/3 less than the width of your desired French tip. Next, move the brush in a stair-step motion along the sides of the nail. This should create a shape that resembles a wave. Then, using diagonal strokes, connect the thickness to the height of the French tip. Finally, simply refine the width to achieve the perfect French nail design look. Next, dry the nail under the lamp. After curing, apply a no-wipe top coat and cure it again. And that's how you can achieve a beautiful result with minimal time investment.